Okay, I'm gonna try to install this angryIPscanner. I'm gonna be using this YouTube video as a reference. I'm gonna mute his crap. Um, so I think we need to pull it up on here first. Let's get rid of some of this shit. Let me search for it here. Okay, that's what it looks like. We go to download page. We'll make sure we're under the Linux here. And let's just make sure, follow what he's doing, make sure he's looking it up there also. He's going to the downloads, going to Linux, and he's going to download the first one there that says for Ubuntu, Debian, and Mint. So let's go ahead and do that. I've never downloaded anything with Mint. What do I do? I guess save. Cool. Now I want to open the file. So I want to right click, rename, and copy this for future purposes. And then right click and in this screen here in the downloads folder and open terminal. Okay, so that opens us into the thing. Let me just go back here. I kind of skipped ahead on what he's doing because I've watched this video before. So now I'm referencing the video. So he downloads it just like I did. He's got it open. He right clicks it and renames it so he can copy the name and then leaves it go and then opens it in terminal. And he's going to type something in here to install it. That's where things are going to get real tricky. So it would have been nice for you to put that in the description there, but he didn't. So sudo dpkg. Jesus. Is that J or G? It's G. G space dash I and then space and then right click and paste what you copied earlier, the name. So that looks good to me. Let me see if I can. Yeah, sudo dpkg. Yeah, looks good. What's he do? He probably hits enter. Oh shit, he put a .deb on there. I'm glad I kept going there. So I need to do that. What the blazes? Oh, let me pull his up again. Make sure it's the same thing here. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Let me hit enter. My password. You brat bastard. Okay. Well, that sucks. That royally sucks. That's not what he had. Mother trucker. So what's that mean? Errors. So did it fail? God damn it. Why does everything gotta be a fucking cluster? There it is. Need Java OpenJKey to run. See if I can get that to come up. God damn it. I'm gonna hit print screen and that pops up. I'll get it to pop up. Oh, for fuck's sake. Every time I go, here, let's do this. There we go. Let's see that the desktop. So I need Java OpenJK. So this was 4 months ago, so let's do this.
To install Java on Linux. So installing Java on Linux is really simple because we can just go to terminal. So we
Can't understand him. There's no fucking point in listening.
and right now, as you can see, command Java not found, but can be installed with. And right there, we have all the versions that we can install. The version 17, 21.
You have a new Facebook message.
Okay, we're gonna try this. You put in there Java version and all that crap came up. Hold on. Okay. I'm confused. You were talking to me, now I'm confused. Okay. So go back up to Linux Mint, open terminal. Oh, Jesus, that was a picture. I wonder I couldn't get it open. Okay, let's close this so we can install that Java crap. So he typed God damn you, motherfucker. Oh, I can't have them both open at the same time. This is a real fucking pain. So annoyed. Oh, I still can't see it. How am I going to do this? God Damn it! I just goddamn skipped through the video. Okay, I'm gonna have to write this down. Let's open Notepad here. So he typed Java space dash dash version. Okay. Now I can put this in here. Okay. Space dash dash version. Hit enter. Well, that didn't fucking help. But at least he has several different options here. Let's see which one he goes
Common
with.
Java not found, but can be installed with. And right there we have all the versions that we can install. The version 17, 21, 11, 25, 8, and so on. So you can choose whatever version you want. For example, I will choose this one. And you have to basically rewrite this command. So sudo apt install open jdk minus 21 minus and minus head.
Okay, he went with 21, so let's type that out here. Sudo apt install open jdk minus 21 minus JRE. Goddamn number lock fucking pisses me off. Okay, I don't like that. Open JDK minus 21 minus JRE minus headless. Let's see if he types the rest out.
Yes. And right now we have to press enter, type in the password, and of course I made a mistake right here. You have to use double L, but right now
Okay, so all right. So let me do that on here. Sudo apt install. Okay. Space. Open JDK minus 21 minus JRE minus headless. Okay. Let's see what he does after this.
it is working. And do you want to continue? You have to type in Y because of yes. And right there we have our installation. As you can see, we have the progression bar.
I didn't have to hit yes. Oh, for fuck's sake, I got more errors. Okay. So basically I ran up here and said, you might want to run apt fix broken install. So I typed sudo apt and basically put what it had up here, fix broken install. And apparently I did it. Now it's asking me to hit yes. Continue in here. And it's going to install that Java shit. Okay, let's see where he goes.
And our installation is done. And right now we can type in Java ---- version, and as you can see, our Java is installed.
Okay, let's do that. Java ---- version. I put okay, there we go, it's installed.
So that's the easiest way how you can install Java on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.
Okay, I think we're done with that. Now let's try angryIPscanner. Let's close this. There it is. And we got it working. That was a pain in the royal ass.